What's going on, guys? Today we are back and we are working on the toy deck. Now, the plan from the beginning, and I don't think I've talked about this on the channel yet, but we're always planning and actually bobbing the back end of this flat deck. And we're taking a whole like 15 inches off of this thing. It's gonna look awesome. So you might remember from the original build episode that we actually had to weld these fenders on. That actually gives us the perfect cut line to use as a guide. And now that that's done, Cory's got to cut each and every one of these rivets to free the wood on the deck. Alright, the deck is off, so now it's just time for a whole bunch of measuring and figuring out what to do. Obviously, you gotta take a steel saw, cut off the actual wood, and then measure about 14 inches, 15 inches out of this, cut it off, and make sure it lines up with the trailer hitch.
There's a venom in me, it's hard to sleep. When I think it's over now, it knocks me off my feet. Hey, it's a chemical rising.
Okay, so now everything that's gonna get cut off is cut off the deck, and we can actually get an idea of how it's gonna look. And that amount of stub is perfect. This truck is gonna look so sick.
Something that will kill these dreams.
Here you can see the whole 15 inches we took out of it. Yeah, this thing's gonna look sweet.
With me, and I'm hoping I can get back to a time before this. But this venom keeps rising. Oh, this venom keeps rising.
Yes.
Oh, light right on the head.
Now it's rising. It's a chemical rising. Oh, love me now. Hey, it's a chemical rising. Oh, love me now. Hey, it's a chemical rising. It's a chemical rising. There is nothing I can do. I swear there's sound. I swear there's sound. There is nothing I can do, but I swear there's sound. I swear there's sound.
So we got most of the bob actually done. Now it's just burning it together. Unfortunately, we're past 11 o'clock, so we're not going to be hammering or grinding anymore. So this is pretty much as far as we're going to get tonight. So we'll check in with you tomorrow.
It's a chemical rising. Oh, love me now.
And we're back. So this is day 2 working on the bob. Really, we only worked a couple hours last night because it became too late and we just went inside. But yeah, we should have it all welded together today and then pull it out of the shop and see what it looks like. So we discovered it was actually way warmer outside than in the shade in the shop. So we decided to move operations to the driveway. Also, the lumber we cut off the deck is making real good firewood. So I decided to get a can of paint that I had in my shop and just kind of spray off some of the like raw metal material, and then we decided, why not do the whole deck? And there you have it, the deck on the budget build is now bobbed. As you can see, that looks a fair bit shorter. Eventually we'll finish the bodywork on the bottom and run rock guard all the way through to the front, but that's for another day. Anyways guys, if you like this stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.